down a dirt road. Old rusty wheels still spinning like new. Barbed wire fence posts and blue skies forever. White frame farmhouse with a front porch view. Hey, I'd give anything for a front porch view. They say some souls are just born to run. I grew up thinking I was one, but I'm drawn to the west where I come from. Like a sunflower follows the sun. Like a sunflower follows the sun. Roots grow deep, searching for water. Years move slow and you're waiting on rain. Life ain't nothing like the postcard picture. It's a tumbleweed blowing across a dusty plain. Give me a tumbleweed blowing across a dusty plain. They say some souls are just born to run. I grew up thinking I was one, but I'm drawn to the west where I come from. Like a sunflower follows the sun. Like a sunflower follows the sun. They say some souls are just born to run. I grew up thinking I was one, but I'm drawn to the west where I come from. Like a sunflower follows the sun. Like a sunflower follows the I got a piece of land out in the countryside. Lay back and smell the sun, warm up the Georgia pine. Feels so good to be taking it easy. Why would I ever leave? 'Cause I know I got some good friends that live down the street. Got a good looking woman with her arms round me. Here in a small town where it feels like home. I got everything I need and nothing that I don't. Homegrown, homegrown. We got a fire going down by the riverside. Sip whiskey out the bar, living like we'll never die. Come on and stay a while if you don't believe me. Why would I ever leave? 'Cause I know I got some good friends that live down the street. Got a good looking woman with her arms round me. Here in a small town where it feels like home. I got everything I need and nothing that I don't. Homegrown, 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 homegrown. that live down the street. Got a good-looking woman with her arms around me. Here in a small town where it feels like home, I got everything I need. Homegrown. And nothing that I don't. Homegrown. Everything I need. Homegrown. And nothing that I don't. Homegrown. It's the way that you carry from the things you think you want. It's the way that you carry from the things you think you wear. It's you that carry on. It's the way that you carry from the things you think you want. I got everything I need, nothing that I don't. Everything I need, nothing that I don't. Everything I need, nothing that I don't. Oh, everything I need, and nothing that I don't.
John Deere lunch kit and a thermos full of Kool-Aid. September harvest and I missed another school day. 14 hours worth of work and dirt were lessons learned. Waist deep in those fields of gold, 7 tons of steel and a 12-year-old. Working hard just to keep it in a straight line. On the combine, handed down overalls and an AM radio. Try to get it right the first time and take it slow. Alabama singing in a hurry and I don't know why. I'm in a hurry to get things done. Black clouds and it starts to rain, running short on time and out of faith. Nothing you can do but pray for the sun to shine on the combine. Every time I climb that ladder, it takes me back to things that matter. Whoa, whoa, whoa. 80 acres and a Friday night, first date dinner in the cabin beneath the moonlight, cushion on a 5-gallon pail, riding shotgun. Time goes by like those waves of grain, but I remember it like yesterday.